बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी, ये वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 19 मई 2024 के अखबार में। तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जॉब है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, डिजिटल पाकिस्तान। वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट। एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशन इन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ Information Technology and Telecommunication on contract basis. Member IT MP1 scale. Details including required qualifications, TOR/job description, conditions to apply, age limit, shortlisting criteria etc. are available on the website of the Ministry and National Job Portal. NJP candidates meeting the required criteria should submit their applications at the URL address given below within 15 days of publication of the advertisement. No hard copy of application shall be accepted and all applications must be sent via NJP. Online shortlisted candidates who are working in government sector are required to produce NOC at the time of interview. This ministry believes in gender equality. http://www.moitt.gov.pk http://www.moitt.gov.pk। एक और वेबसाइट का एड्रेस है http://www.njp.gov.pk। ग़ुलाम फरीद, सेक्शन ऑफिसर एडमिन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, 7th फ्लोर, कौसर ब्लॉक, पाक, सेक्रेटेरिएट, इस्लामाबाद। टेलीफ़ोन नंबर है 0519209785, 0519209785। अच्छा जी, ये वाली जो जॉब है, ये वाली जॉब भी 19 मई के अखबार में आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची 19 मई के अखबार में आई थी और ये भी इस्लामाबाद के लिए जॉब है। पाकिस्तान एजुकेशन एंडाउमेंट फंड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ PEEF। PEEF is a company incorporated under Section 42 of Companies Ordinance 1984 and is providing quality education opportunities to the deserving and talented students to help them fight the vicious circle of poverty and to manage sustainable living standards. We are offering market-based competitive salary packages and opportunity to become a part of winning team. Number 1, Chief Financial Officer CFO, requisite qualification and experience, max age 55 years. फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर CFO के लिए मास्टर्स डिग्री इन फाइनेंस, MBA फाइनेंस और इक्विवेलेंट। कैंडिडेट शुड बी अ मेंबर ऑफ recognized body of professional accountants CA/CIMA/CPA/ICMA. Candidate must have at least 12 years of overall experience in accountants and finance, where 7 years managerial experience including 5 years experience in case of public sector companies having total assets of 5 billion rupees or more. Responsibilities: the Chief Financial Officer shall be responsible for ensuring appropriate advice to the board on all financial matters with following broad responsibilities: create, coordinate and evaluate the financial management systems and support in information systems of the company for budgeting, tax planning, investment planning, funds management and conservation of assets. Develop and direct the implementation of strategic business and or operational plans, projects, programs and finance, accounting and internal auditing procedures and systems. Oversee the approval and processing of receipt of funds, expenditures, disbursement of scholarships to selected scholars and investment of funds, accounts payable and receivable functions. Preference will be given to candidate having experience in dealing with SECP/FPR/SBP/PRA/PPRA. Preference will be given to candidate having experience in education sector and donor agencies, maintaining proper and effective system of internal financial control and exploring terms and conditions Appointment shall be on contract basis for a period of 3 years extendable subject to satisfactory performance. Number 2, Chief Internal Auditor CIA, requisite qualification and experience, a member of recognized body of professional accountants or a certified internal auditor or a certified fraud examiner or a certified internal control auditor or a person holding master's degree in finance from a university recognized by HEC. Candidate must have at least 10 years of relevant audit experience. Candidates having experience of non-profit organization will be offered. Responsibilities: the Chief Internal Auditor, who is the head of internal audit function in the public. अच्छा, एज लिमिट इस पोजीशन के लिए भी 55 ईयर्स होनी चाहिए. इन द पब्लिक sector company shall be accountable to the audit committee and have unrestricted access to the record to evaluate accounting, financial, credit and other operational activities as an independent appraisal function to ensure effective management of the financial resources of the company. आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ये देख लें आप लोग, ठीक है जी. अच्छा जी, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस. अपॉइंटमेंट शैल बी ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 3 years extendable subject to satisfactory performance. Interested candidates fulfilling the requisite criteria of qualification and experience may apply within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. 19th May 2024 is the publication date. Along with 2 passport size picture, copy of CNIC, CV, all attested educational documents and experience certificates and 2 references. We are an equal opportunity employer and females are encouraged to apply. Applications complete in all aspects must reach at the address given below. Manager, Human Resources and Administration, first floor, plot number 39, Khirtar Road, H for house -9/4 इस्लामाबाद. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.